What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on JAGX stock. First of all, brief information about this company. Jaguar Health is a commercial stage pharmaceutical company focused on developing novel, sustainably derived gastrointestinal products on a global basis. Our wholly owned subsidiary Napo Pharmaceuticals focus on developing and commercializing proprietary human gastrointestinal pharmaceuticals for the global marketplace from plants used traditionally in rainforest areas. Our mytesi product is approved by the US FDA for the symptomatic relief of non-infectious diarrhea in adults with HIV/AIDS on antiretroviral therapy. And they are now want to expand their market on Europe, and that's why they are about to effect a merger with the Napo EU. Here is the investor place. This article was published on February 18th, and I already reviewed this article in my previous video, and you will find the link on this video in the description below. And just a brief summary that investors should know that many experts are bullish on such a merger. Jaguar Health had already confirmed its intent to take Napo EU public via SPAC, and we also knew it wanted to list the public company on the AIM Italia. It is true that many think such a SPAC deal will ultimately benefit JAGX stock. And we are on Seeking Alpha, and here is the article. It says Jaguar Health launched website for Napo EU, and we have three bullets. Jaguar Health announced that the company has launched the website for Napo EU, the anticipated subsidiary of Jaguar in Italy. The resources page of this site contains links to an assortment of third-party information about post-COVID long hauler syndrome, as well as the challenges posed in Europe and elsewhere by vaccine distribution programs, vaccine skepticism, and the appearance of more transmissible mutated strains of SKYROCKET, the virus that causes COVID-19. The company also reiterated that it is exploring the conditional marketing authorization regulatory pathway in Europe to support development and commercialization of crofelemer for the proposed indication of prophylaxis and/or symptomatic relief of inflammatory diarrhea, initially to be studied in a long hauler COVID-19 recovery patient population in Europe. And here is this website. It is very simple. As you can see, it is only 2 pages, home and resources, and it is very simple. And you can compare it with this site. It is mytesi, their lead product. It is very complicated and it's very informative. And for now, it is just the beginning, I think, for this partnership. And let me show you one interesting fact. So here is the institutional owners of this company, and I already mentioned in my previous video that most of them, they are buying even now. And let me show you the ratio of sellers with the ratio of buyers. Recent sales was made by Virtu Financial and Citadel Advisors, and they sell combined a little bit more than $220,000 in value. And let me compare it with the buyers. As you can see, only Vanguard make the investment of more than $1.2 million. And these green lines, they indicate that these companies just opened their position. And as you can see, a majority of companies are still buying. And I'm interested in these feelings. And I found this article. It is on Investor Place, and it was published on March the 1st, and it says, is Jaguar Health ready to bounce back from a lousy February? And let me show you this. Sagard Capital Partners filed a Schedule 13G on February 12th. It stated that the investment manager owns 2.8% of Jaguar Health. I mention this because Sagard is a part of Power Corporation, a Montreal-based holding company controlled by the Decemaris, one of Canada's wealthiest families. A big investment firm like Power wouldn't invest if they didn't know all there was to know about Napo EU's potential merger's partner. And in my opinion, it is very indicative for the company, and it's very good news. And we have a flip side of the coin. And it says, however, investors should probably wait to get more information of the effectiveness of mytesi for use with COVID-19 long haulers and Leclamer. It's drug candidate intended to treat diarrhea in cholera patients. Here is some financials about this company. For now, their total market cap is $239.57 million, and they have a revenue of $8.32 million with a net income of negative $31 million. As of this data, they have total cash of $1.35 million with total debt of $9.44 million and a current ratio of 0.42. So their financials is not so good, but nevertheless they have a huge potential, and all of the institutional investors and all of these articles they said that you might invest in this company. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. In this case you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So here is my breakdown, and it's a little bit messy, but we have this formation, we have this triangle formation, and I entered the position right here on the late January, and then I said to reduce your position, and I reduced mine position, and we had this breakout. But last week it was a red week across all the markets. We fall for more than 40%, around 40%, and now we bounce back from the golden pocket, and is a good sign. So what should you do with this company? If you already done your own due diligence and you like this company and you think that it is a good company to invest your money in, as for me, I think this company is very good for investment, and it's very prominent for you as an investor. And I think I will open my investment position right here again with this company. And basically for now I don't see any trades, even though we have this price level is higher than this one, but on indicators I cannot see any bullish signs for now, and that's why I don't recommend you to enter your position as a trader right here. I recommend just add your position as an investor, and let me show you the exact levels. So basically you can add your position right here with a small fraction of your money, but your main accumulation zone should be right here. And if you bounce back, then we will have something with the retracement, and here will be your next entry point, and from this point maybe we will have another entry point as a trade. And that's why I think you have to wait with your trades, but you can accumulate your position right here, and your main accumulation zone is here. It is totally possible then this company will hit even 0.786 level, because here we have a huge support slash resistance. Let me show it to you. It is literally the same level as 0.786. So for now we have these two accumulation zones, and it is an investment, it is not a trade, and that's why we don't put any stop loss. Just buy and forget. So I think that's it for now. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done this before, and hit the like button, it helps me a lot. See you guys next time, bye!